How to use the time spent in formula function in Attio. If you build one formula this week, build this one. We want to track how much time deals spent in each deal stage. So it's like stage velocity or sales velocity for each deal. How to make it? In Attio, create a new formula attribute, give the name, and create a formula. For that, we need to use the timeSpentIn function. How does it work? If you navigate to timeSpentIn, you will be able to see that it needs an attribute with the value and you need to calculate it, except hours, days, weeks, or months to calculate this value. So in squares, we need to open brackets and choose the deal stage, comma, add deal stage again, because we can't put it current like a word to track the current stage and return days. After that, click on Save, create attribute, and it's automatically calculated. So if you see the most recent deals were in one stage, the current stage was 7 days. If we descend this order, it's 90 days for the most stalled deal. We're Craftt. We help teams turn Attio into something they actually use. Want hands-on help? Book a free Attio audit, link below.